All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your roofing website into a lead machine with an instant quote calculator. You can install this on your site in literally minutes. Super easy to use. It's customizable. It's going to increase your leads. It's going to increase people calling you, and it's going to put more money in your pocket. And you can literally have this on your site literally in minutes. So I'm going to show you what this does, and this is all customizable where you can put your number for your business. You can change all the text. Everything's customizable. You got a homeowner mode, which it's in out of the box. It's already in homeowner mode, and you can switch to contractor mode. So this has two uses, for your visitors and for you as the contractor. You can put in your information, roof size, and you can get pricing as the roofer. Your material cost, labor cost, tear-off cost, disposal, dumpster fees, permit cost, decking, repair allowance, equipment rental, travel, other costs. You got markup and margins. And this has got a really cool feature right here called Advanced Settings, where you can switch everything over here. This is where everything's customizable with the main headline, header headline, subheadline, the badges, everything is customizable. Here's your phone number. You can put in your website, name of your roofing company, logo, URL, branding colors, you name it, you can use this. You can even switch out the pricing. If you find something that's a little off, you can switch that out as well. So this is all customizable, and you can click Save Changes here. If you pick this up for your site, which I highly recommend you do if you're a roofer, it's going to tell you there's a PDF that shows you how to use everything. If you can copy and paste and follow simple directions, no matter how technical you are, you're going to be able to use this. So keep that in mind. It's real easy to use. It's not, you don't got to be some kind of genius, a tech wizard to do this on your site. If you're not if you're not used to doing this, if you can copy and paste, follow simple directions, you can get this on your site. And if not, you can also hire me to do this for you if you want. Either way, it's fine with me. The link's going to be directly below in the video description box. First link directly below. So check this out. And what it does here, you got homeowner mode. Put in your roof size. I'm going to go through a quick demo here. 2,000 square feet, roofing materials. You can choose materials, tear off needed, 1 layer, 2 layers, not sure. Roof pitch. And this is what your customer is going to be putting in as they land on your website. So they're going to get a ballpark estimate, and then they can call you for obviously a more accurate estimate. It's going to give them a ballpark estimate. It's going to pre-qualify them, and then they can call you for the real estimate. Roof complexity, and that's a goal of That's a goal of your website, obviously, is to get more leads and calls, and that's what this tool is going to do. Roof complexity, average, simple. It's got different choices here. Let's put average. Roof condition, good, minor repairs, roof access, roof features, and you're good to go. Get my estimate, and it's going to tell you the roof size you put in, the material, everything you selected, or your customer selected. It's going to tell you an estimated range, low range, mid-range, high range. And it's going to break it down and come up with the estimate. It's going to have a call now button at the bottom where they can call you, set up an appointment. So they already got an estimate in mind. It might not be exact. It's going to be off a little bit, obviously, but it's going to give them a ballpark estimate. And it's based off of 2026 national averages. So it should be in a somewhat decent range. And then you can also, like I said, you can come in here and switch the numbers to get it exactly right for your specific area if you want to do that. Either way is fine, but it's going to pre-qualify your leads on your website and get them calling you, which is what you want. And then you got getting your new roof is easy. We install your new roof, schedule your roof review, get your fast estimate, complete roofing services, roofing done the honest way. And that's pretty much it. And it's going to show down here, ready to get started on your roof. It's going to have your number here, get my fast estimate, name of your company, number again. And if you want this on your site, like I said, links below. You can come over and check this out for yourself. If you want to check it out, get this for your site, all you do is click the roofing lead page kit right here. And I have this on Etsy right now, but I have it on my site as well, and it is heavily discounted right now. Literally, I'm giving this away. It's only $72.75. Normally $97, which was discounted as is. So I'm offering like 30% off right now. And you only got to pay this one-time fee. and it's going to stay on your site forever. If you can copy and paste, literally it's just copying and paste. For WordPress mainly, this should work on any platform that has HTML, but it's tested on WordPress. But if you can copy and paste, you can have this literally up and running in literally 2 minutes. And if you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section directly below, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. But yeah, that's that. So awesome lead page you can have on your site, customizable. Like I said, homeowner mode, contractor mode, and you got advanced settings down here, which I showed you, where you can change all the numbers, click Save Changes. When you buy this, it's going to have a PDF that's going to explain how to do everything. It's not complicated at all. Literally anyone could do this in literally minutes, and have this on your site, collecting leads, getting your phone ringing, and helping your business make more money. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, like I said, ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.